As Taiwan struggles to curb the latest rash of local COVID-19 infections, some are seeking to blame hospital staff, saying safety rules may have been overlooked. But others have come to the defense of the medical professionals working on the front line to contain the disease. Rita, a recovered patient of COVID-19, spoke exclusively to FTV about her gratitude for nurses who went above and beyond during her time in isolation.
终于要踏出这病房，然后其实真的是非常舍不得的。
After returning from her university in Spain, Rita tested positive for COVID-19. She spent a whole month in a negative pressure isolation ward. The support of doctors and nurses helped her get through the anxiety of struggling with a mysterious illness.
说在抽血的时候 When I had blood taken, for example, they deliberately distracted me, asking me about life in Spain, how are my friends, have any of them got the virus? Like friends chatting with me. They were so good to me. They treated me like a friend or member of the family.
After treatment, Rita got 2 negative tests in a row, but the third test was a surprise blow.
有一次的裁剪是 The previous 2 tests were both negative, but then this one came out positive. It was such a shock because I'd already been in the hospital almost a month. The head nurse came specially to talk to me through the door. Don't worry, she said. Hang in there. It could be fragments of dead virus. Don't think about it too much. You must keep confident so you can resist it.
很感谢你们，加油，加油，就是抱一个，加油。
As Rita was finally discharged, the head nurse gave her a warm hug that Rita will never forget.
那时候很感动，是因为
What was so moving was nobody would want to touch us or hug us, but the head nurse was the first one. She hugged me as soon as I was out. I was really touched.
For Rita, healing was not just getting treated medically. The greatest support was the care nurses gave her body, mind, and soul. Now she knows just how intense the pressures are for those treating COVID patients.
他们也会担心自己传染给 They're anxious about infecting their families and anxious about being a gateway for the virus. Sometimes when they go out to eat, they're too scared to say they work in a hospital.
Rita will always be grateful she could return to life as normal thanks to these nurses. She hopes everyone in Taiwan will stand in support of those now suffering from the disease.